Welcome friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are revising Lycopodium, and this is the part 4th, which specifically deals with how to study Allen's keynote, especially from the reference of PQR review. The whole text is being taken up from Allen's keynote, and this is good for homeopathic students. So this is the book which we are following, and going through the book you will find the symptoms in this particular book are given in running text, and each sentence represents a PQR. However, there are certain limitations, and the biggest limitation is the text is disorganized in sequence and continuity. However, if you'll see the text, you will find the whole text as this, what we are looking at this particular slide. But when we scrutinize this particular text on close examination, the Lycopodium can be seen having about 25 PQR. And let us see how we are going to evaluate or study these 25 PQRs. The first one is, it tells us for the persons intellectually keen but physically weak, upper part of body is emaciated, lower part semi-dropsical, predisposed to lung and hepatic functions, or you can say affections, and it is similar to calcarea, phosphorus, and sulfur. And probably this medicine is best suited at the extreme of life, means to children and old people. So, Lycopodium is vulnerable in the extremes of age. So, these are the high risk features, and this is the constitutional component what we have seen in this PQR1. The PQR2 tells us about deep-seated progressive chronic disease, and we can understand that the author is telling us about the diathesis. This is the diathesis of Lycopodium. PQR3 tells us about the pain. The peculiar pain which we find in Lycopodium is aching, pressure, drawing, chiefly right-sided, and these particular pains are worse at 4 to 8 p.m. So this is a characteristic general symptom. Next PQR is fourth, affects right side, or pain goes from right to left, from throat, chest, abdomen, liver, and ovaries. So this is a peculiar side affinity which Lycopodium is going to display. Next PQR is fifth, and it tells about the constitutional characteristics, especially children, weak, emaciated, with well-developed head but punny, sickly bodies. Baby cries all day, sleeps all night. This is a very peculiar characteristic symptom of children's. PQR 6 tells us about the ailments from fright, anger, mortification, or vexation with reserved displeasure. So this is an exciting cause for Lycopodium. PQR 7 tells us avaricious, greedy, miserly, malicious, pusillanimous, cowardly person. This is the mental aspect of Lycopodium. Eighth PQR is also deals with the mental aspect. The Lycopodium subject is irritable, peevish, and cross on walking. ugly, kicks and screams, easily angered, cannot endure opposition or contradiction, seeks dispute, and is besides himself. The PQR 9 tells us about the mental aspect and mind. We find here the patient is BP all day, cannot calm herself, very sensitive, even cries when thanked. The next PQR is 10th. It tells about the dread of men, of solitude, irritable and melancholy, fear of being alone. So there is a lot of fear of loneliness or when the patient is alone. PQR 11 tells us about the somatic constitutional feature and it talks about the complexion, tells us that complexion is pale, dirty, unhealthy, sallow, with deep furrows, looks older than he is, fan like motion of the Elanasi. 12th PQR is again a particular characteristic belong to nose and tells us about the catarrh, dry nose, stopped at night, must breathe through the mouth, snuffles, child starts from sleep, rubbing its nose, of root of nose and frontal sinuses, crust and elastic plugs. So there is rhinitis sicca and allergic rhinitis like symptoms which are present in this case where the children are much more affected. PQR 13 tells us about the very peculiar disease, particular general throat diphtheria. Diphtheria used to be much more important in those days. So faucious brownish red deposit spreads from right tonsil to left or descends from nose to right tonsil. It is worse after sleep and from cold drinks. PQR 14 tells us about characteristic particular general involving mouth. Everything tastes sour. Eructations, heartburn, water brush, sour vomiting between chills and heat. PQR 15 tells us about canine hunger. The more he eats, the more he craves. Headache if does not eat. The PQR 16 tells us about again characteristic particular involving GIT and having gastric affections, excessive accumulation of the flatulence, constant sensation of satiety, good appetite, but a few mouthful fills up to the throat and he feels bloated. Fermentation in the abdomen with loud grumbling, croaking, especially lower abdomen, fullness, not relieved by belching. That is what we get in GIT, upper GIT symptoms. PQR 70s tells us about constipation and it is also characteristic particular from GIT. Constipation since puberty, since the last confinement. When away from home, it means on travel or you are hospitalized. Of infants with ineffectual urging, rectum contracts and protrudes during stool, developing piles. The PQR 18 tells us about red sand in urine. So it is a urinary particular general, very characteristic, especially on child's diaper. Child cries before urinating. pain in the back relieved by urinating, renal colic, right side, especially right sided renal colic is a lycopodium characteristic feature. PQR 19 tells us about male characteristic particular in the sexual field. The patient is having impotency, or you can say impotence of young man from onanism or sexual excess. Penis small, cold, relaxed, old man with strong desire but imperfect erections, falls asleep during embrace, premature emissions are very, very important in this case. The PQR 20 tells us about the dryness of vagina, burning during and after coition, pyesometra, discharge of blood from genitals during every stool is very characteristic in females. The PQR 21st tells us about fetus appears to be turning somersaults. PQR 22 is hernia, right sided, has cured many cases, especially in children. PQR 23rd, we find pneumonia, neglected or maltreated. Base of right lung is involved, especially to hasten the absorption or expectoration. So there is delayed resolution of the pneumonia in case of lycopodium. The 24th PQR tells us about the cuff is deep, hollow, even raising mucus in large quantities affords little relief. One foot hot, another cold is a vasomotor disturbance, what we find in lycopodium. And the 25th, the last symptom here is waking at night, feeling hungry. This is a very characteristic feature of lycopodium. Relationship, we find complementary is iodium, bad effects of onion, bread, wine, spirituous liquors, tobacco smoking and chewing, follows well after calcarea, carbovage, lachesis and sulfur. Please note that it is rarely advisable to begin the treatment of a chronic disease with lycopodium unless it is clearly indicated. It is better to give first another antisoric. Lycopodium is a deep-seated, long-acting remedy and should rarely be repeated after improvement begins. Thank you very much, friends, for patient listening.